Okay guys, welcome. In last lecture we have seen how to calculate marks of physics, chemistry, mathematics for 4th year using this program. Now what we are going to do in this program? In this program we are going to do the same work using loop. Because see what we are doing the same work first time, same work second time, same work third time, same work fourth time. Means we are repeating the loop again and again the same time. So what we can do, we can create one loop, write the common code. Which is the common code? This is the code that we are repeating always in the loop and get the work done. Are you ready guys? So let us see the code. Already I have written the code. This is the syntax to create the loop in Python. For I in range 4 means what? See how many students are here? 1 2 3 4. There are 4 students. So how to repeat? So here value of I, suppose this is I. This is thief number I equal to 1, thief number 1, I equal to thief number 2, I equal to 3, thief number 3, I equal to 4, thief number 4. Are you ready? So when I run the code for I in range 4, there are 4 thief. I in range is one function which create a range from 0 to 3. Print I. Let us run the code and see what do you get. See here, what do you get? Let me resize the window first so that I can clearly show it to you what is happening here. Okay, see here, for I in range 4, print I. So by default I is 0, I get 0, then I plus plus I becomes 1, plus I become 2, plus I become 3, range in bracket value minus 1 loop get repeated. So here 0 to 3 I get the loop. Clear? Okay, just I do one thing, I modify the code one more time so that your idea will be more clear. So what I do here, I just write it 10 times. Okay, so I write it 10 times. What will happen? And in case loop will repeat that much time. That's it. See here, what happened here? I equal to 0 4 0 1 2 3. Next what I have done here, hello for I in range, hello loop I, hello loop I. So hello loop 0, when I 0, hello loop 1. I'm talking about this output now. See here, print I. This statement have printed these 4 statement. Next we are here in this loop. Output of this loop is hello loop. Hello loop when I 0, loop 0, when I is 1, loop is 1, when I is 2, loop is 2, when I is 3, loop is 3. So this loop get repeated 3 times. Clear? Now when I make it 10, this loop will repeat it 10 times here. Hello loop 0, hello loop 1, hello loop 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this way, whatever thing we have to repeat, just write after this colon. After the for loop, write the colon. Okay. Now printf new line. That's why here I got the new line. Here I got the new line. So here I have written only one statement. Here I have written 2 statements. Print. So what will happen? The 2 statement get repeated that much time. So when I run the code, what I get, see here. You can check the code. Loop j statement 1 j equal to 0. Then loop j statement 2 j equal to 0. Can you see this? This is statement 1, this is statement 2. Here statement 1, statement 2. Clear? But when I 0, I get here both 0. J equal to 0, j equal to 0. Now plus j becomes 1 because initially j becomes 0, j becomes 1, j becomes 2, j becomes 3. So when j becomes 1, loop j statement j equal to 1, statement 2 j equal to 2. Because here value of j initially was 0, that's why I got 0. Now j becomes 1, I get j equal to 1. Then j equal to 2, then j equal to 3. So in this way I got the output. So afterwards here what I have done, see here, this is the explanation of loop. Okay, so in next video I will tell you how to write the code for physics, chemistry, mathematics. Thank you.